Hi, I'm Colin from HDCCTV.co.uk. The XHR1080D range of DVRs are available in 4, 8 and 16 camera versions. They are classed as hybrid DVRs because they accept older standard definition and 960H cameras, as well as displaying and recording at HD resolutions when used with new AHD high definition cameras running at 720p and 1080p resolutions. The 4 and 8 channel version of this DVR can accept a single hard drive, and the current version of firmware allows up to 6TB drives. And the 16 camera version can accept up to 2 drives, so that's a maximum of 12TB. And it also allows off-site cloud recording using a Dropbox account. PC and Mac software is included, as is an iOS and Android mobile app. It has auto networking set up for ease of use and auto router port forwarding, so no more messing about with the router is required. It comes with a USB mouse, wireless remote control, and you can use the touchscreen on the front panel. And the monitor outputs for your TV are HDMI and VGA at full HD resolutions. When you first switch the DVR on, a startup wizard appears. Click Next to continue. Okay, this screen is the Hdd Management Screen. This is where you got your hard drive details. As you can see, there's a 931 gig, about a terabyte in there, so that's a terabyte drive. And here you can select it and then format it if you wish. And you can also from here choose your overwrite mode. The default is auto, just leave it on that if you want to, or if you need to delete files within a set time, then here's your settings here. Record schedule is next. From this screen you can see how the DVR will record images. It can be set to record constantly or to record when motion is activated, or when an external alarm input is triggered. The green lines are for constant recording, yellow are for motion triggers, and red for external alarm triggers. You can set each camera separately and for different days of the week and different times of the day, so you have complete control over what camera is doing what at any time of the day. So you simply select the mode you want. Let's set alarm recording this one. Select the mode you want and click and drag over the times and days you want. So that's recorded constant 24/7 alarm modes. You can of course just drag Sunday and Saturday, turn those off, and you can do the same with these as well. Let's turn off constant record on those days there, and we can turn motion off on these days. So that's just an example of how flexible it is to program the unit. And of course you could different hours of the day, let's say 4 hours on a Sunday, it records motion. So completely flexible. Now that's the schedule for channel 1. You can of course go to channel 2 and do it all again. Or if you like the way that's set up, just click on the copy button and that copies all the settings to all the cameras. Next is the general system configuration screen. Here you set the time and date and other system settings. Network screen is the next one, and if you know your network settings you can add them in here. If you don't know about networking, just choose DHCP, enable UPnP and click Next. What that will do is DHCP mode will select, will talk to the router and then assign an IP address to the recorder, and UPnP will open up the ports required for external access. Next is email configuration. If you want to use the email notifications or the Dropbox function for off-site cloud recording, you would add your Dropbox account details in here. Email configuration is the next screen. If you want to use email notifications or the Dropbox function for off-site recording, you would add your Dropbox account details here. Dns Settings is next. You would use this if you want to view the DVR remotely using a PC or Mac software supplied. This is not necessary with mobile devices and the mobile app. Click Save and the DVR is now ready to use. The XHR1080D8 8 and 16 are available to buy now on our website HDCCTV.co.uk, or you can call us on 01952 505 696. Thanks for watching.